What's up guys, it's me, obviously. What's up guys, it's me, obviously. I'm cleaning my room today. It's absolutely disgusting. Absolutely disgusting. I mean, it's not bad, but my mom likes to say that it's pretty bad. I don't think it's that. It could be worse, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna give you a quick overview of my room, and then we're just gonna get started because my mom has been attacking me. So this is my room, as of right now, like right when you walk in. Let's zoom in right here. Yoo-hoo. This one go up. Okay. I keep walking. It's honestly all just clothes. Like once I pick up my clothes, it's gonna be pretty clean. I finally did my tree. And then my nightstand. Very confident. I need to wash my sheets too. Boomba. She's part of the mess. Close. This box, I'm not even gonna use it, but it just has my girlfriend's presents and her little sister's presents, and then Pumbaa's are in that bag, but I'm waiting for more stuff to come in so that I can wrap it. Start cleaning because it's disgusting. Timer? For Spanish. Oh. It was so loud. Okay, we're gonna start with these clothes. Ooh, the grunge. Y'all can see my toes, but at this point, I don't. Where the heck did this come from? Oh, it's yours. What is this doing in here? It's your flute. I have no idea why that's in there. In here. Okay, so I picked up all of my clothes. That was the start. Literally, my room doesn't even look that bad now. So I'm gonna go put these to wash. No, yeah, I should, huh? My basket of clothes. So I'm gonna go put it to wash right now, and then I'm gonna put my blankets to wash. So you'll watch me strip. It's obviously forever later. I'll tell you what time it is. 10:21. But I finished my room. These are just things that are air drying because I don't want to put them in the washer. But I didn't film me putting my clothes away just because I forgot and I just put them away. But yeah, my room's clean, so I'm just gonna give you a quick overview of my entire room. And yeah, it wasn't like that bad, but it was bad. I don't know. Let's... So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Oh, and I didn't do the Thanksgiving video because I didn't end up making dessert because somebody else was bringing dessert, so I didn't bring dessert. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully it motivated you to clean your room. And yeah, leave a like, comment, subscribe if you want to do, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!